action. Math! I love it so much! Math, the Pythagorean theorem, all the theorems, postulates, ratios! It's so awesome. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you about it sometime. I love math. Don't you? I mean, the word, it just makes me so happy inside. Geometry. Good.
I hate math so much. I just can't understand the Pythagorean theorem and these postulates. Ugh!
Stop! Let's do some geometry!
Yo, 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 it's Megan, Chelsea,
Mike.
We're here to tell you about geometry. It's been a lot of fun, but now it's time to run. So here's a little rap to tell you about our year, and it goes a little something like this.
Now here's chapter 1. If you want to find the circumference of a circle, then you take 2 pi r. Then you put it in your calc and solve it for the answer.
So to start with chapter 2, we won't even start with you, because you're all about proofs, and we don't even like you.
So let's move on to chapter 3. You're gonna have to work with me to memorize all those theorems you see. So let's start with theorem 3.2.
Theorem 3.2 states that if 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the pair of alternate exterior angles are congruent. Chapter 4! Boo Chop Boo! It's all about three-sided shapes.
Scalene!
Isosceles.
Equilateral.
Acute. Right.
Obtuse.
Equiangular. Triangles! Now chapter 5 is the best. It puts all of your knowledge to the test. But now we better give that a rest. In chapter 6, ratios, proportions, and geometric mean. That's all you need to know for chapter 6. But hold up, it's time for a geometric mean. You take a over x equal x over b, then you get x squared equal ab, and x equals the square root of ab.
Yo, 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 in chapter 7 we learn about trig, but in section 7 we apply the Pythagorean theorem, and if you don't remember that, it's
A squared plus b squared equals c squared, yo!
in chapter 8 you find angle measures in a polygon.
In chapter 9, we learn about matrices, matrix, and dimensions. We also see reflections and rotations, and you can't forget transformations that transform us. Now chapter 10, you got chords, radius, and diameters. Now we gotta tell you about theorem 10.2. Tangent segments from a common external point are congruent. Yeah, yeah. Who knows the difference between minor and major arcs? We'd rather be at the park.
Now in section 10.6 is where we need to get serious. Where external and tangent segments even secant.
In chapter 11, we find areas, triangles, parallelograms, trapezoids, rhombuses, and kites. In 12, we'll explore even more. We'll dig into the surface area of many things. Then we'll find the volume 2. So now you know the chapters of geometry. Now we get to move into trigonometry. Holla, holla!